Hey everybody, Rich here. This is a quick tip for anyone that uses in-game chat over voice or Skype. If you have a USB headset with a microphone, as a lot of you do, you may have encountered the situation where your microphone is producing some type of white noise or an electronic noise. It sounds something like shh or something similar, and you don't know where it's coming from. Chances are you probably have the headset plugged into a hub like this. To cure that problem, it's actually really simple. Don't plug your USB headset into a hub. Plug it direct into the PC instead, either using a front port. If you don't have a front port, you'll have to plug it in the back. And it is true, you'll probably have to get a USB extension cable in order to bring the headset around to the front again, but it's totally worth it to get rid of that white noise if you have any. So that's it.